Hello, something slightly different for a main channel video today. I have an announcement to make about a new long-term project. Let's get right to the big reveal before everyone switches off. Over the coming 2 or 3 months, the main focus of my videos will be a project to raise money for the Befriending Scheme, an excellent organisation a close member of my family has benefited from, which does a massive amount of amazing work for vulnerable people in Suffolk. Obviously, the things I'll be doing will be vintage computing themed, so don't switch off yet as I've something very special to reveal you might find interesting. Regular viewers might have seen my second channel live stream in which I unboxed a very special case and keyboard for the 48K Spectrum sent over by Lee Smith, something Lee has dubbed the ZX Spectrum. That was the catalyst for all of this, as I decided it was too valuable to accept as a gift, and I thought maybe we could stick a motherboard inside it and auction it off for charity. Things have moved on a bit since then. This is the current state of play. This flight case, which I hope to have decorated in a Sinclair theme, will contain a bog standard, completely original, maybe just composite modded 48K ZX Spectrum from my own collection, which doesn't sound all that exciting. But that's just machine number one. As well as that, there will be the ZX Spectrum case and mechanical keyboard from Lee Smith's workshop. A fantastic case with an ingenious design and high quality mechanical keyboard. Inside this case will be what I consider the ultimate ZX Spectrum. Now, this will cause certain people in the community to break out in actually hives, but try to remember I specified that I consider this the ultimate Spectrum. You're allowed to have a different wrong opinion. That motherboard will be a Harlequin 128K. A board that covers both the 48K software releases and the 128K ones. It also can output either composite video or RGB, but included will be the amazing ZX HD interface, which allows HDMI output. I did say ultimate. Both the Harlequin kit and the ZX HD interface I'll be purchasing from Bike Delight. To load games and other software, Arcadesy has offered to donate a Dandinator AMIE cartridge to go along with all 3 of these machines. 3. Yes, there will be a third ZX Spectrum in this bundle. As well as the original Spectrum and the Ultimate Spectrum, I'll be building from scratch a brand new Sinclair ZX Spectrum. You may have seen Lost Retro Tape's incredible video. If not, go and check out the link in the description, in which he builds the entire original rubber key bundle, including box, polys and horizon tape. I won't be going quite to those lengths, as this will be housed inside the flight case. But Charles will be helping me source some of the tricky components for a brand new 48K ZX Spectrum. And he's very kindly offered to supply a brand new modern replacement ULA for the build, which is by far the most expensive part. The board I'll be using will be this beautiful Issue 6S reproduction motherboard, very kindly sent over to me by the ridiculously clever Devzine. Links to his blog and Twitter in the description. This will work in just about exactly the same way as the standard Specky, but we'll do it looking a whole lot sexier. The case I'll be putting this new build into will be this rather lovely smoked grey translucent number. I've been sitting on this one for a while now and it's time it got used. So those 3 lovely machines, along with a few peripherals and a power supply, all tucked inside a posh aluminium flight case, thank you again Richard from Heber and Neil from RMC, will make for rather a lovely unique bundle that you'll never find anywhere else. I did consider running a raffle, but the legalities of that are sadly beyond my current ability to deal with, so the next best thing will be to auction it off. The last time I auctioned an item for charity, I had lots of people ask me if they could donate in another way, as they were soon priced out of being able to contribute. Well, this time you can. I've set up a Just Giving page where I hope to raise the Befriending Scheme a pile of cash to enable them to do more of the amazing things they do in our community. So, the plan so far: Video 1 will be the Spectrum case build. Video 2, the Harlequin Ultimate build. Video 3, the new build Sexy Smoked Spectrum. Video 4, putting the prize together and talking about the next steps. The prize will hopefully be appearing on another mystery YouTube channel, but I can't talk about that yet. Livestream 1, the auction begins, plus a chat about the process up to this point. And then Livestream 2, currently 12-hour marathon, I'm old, you know, with special guests, real hardware, games, and maybe a bit of fixing or building, lots of chat, and hopefully gathering donations culminating in the auction finishing and a count up of the total to that point. So if you find all of that interesting, maybe we can all get together and raise a load of money for the befriending scheme. Keep an eye out on my second channel and Twitter account for regular updates. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.